Yeah, we got that on Friday morning. We got that on.
What, the top panel?
This skin here. This is the one I'm just doing now. The very top one. I put the screws in yesterday. The screws have gone in.
Through
both sides of the wood.
The actual tip.
Yeah, through the sweep. Yeah. They're in both sides, and I'm just going to, when I get up there, tap it. Just give it another tap down, you know, just to make it a little bit tighter onto the wood.
Yeah.
To the contour of the wood. And that eventually, I think when it comes down, we'll do that. Is when it gets taped over, you know, with Irish linen. I think we said it.
Will you take the topper, the wingtip off again, or will you rivet it while it's up there now?
No, it's going to get riveted now. It's all got the yellow JC5 on it, Joe.
Yeah. The compound, yeah.
Yeah, it's got that on it.
So that will stay up there now.
That'll stay on here. Any access that Spen needs to wire up, the wires are running out of either end, as you can see.
Yeah.
He can do through those access panels, the two holes there. But we've had the leading edge on as well. Those are what the centres. And we're just not 100% sure what we're doing with them yet. I'm waiting for confirmation.
In what way? Whether you're going to weld them before you get any further, or?
They're going to be welded, yeah, but it's whether we're going to have one weld down the centre here,
yeah,
or whether they're keeping them flush. Or Bob's left us a drawing. Bob left us that on Thursday night, but he's not back till Wednesday. Where there may be, we'll be drilling our holes through there and through there to keep keep the shape, and then cutting it there and there, and they're putting on about putting a third piece as the forming the contour and doing two weld lines, but they're not in the centre. There'll be
so it'll be 3 pieces then instead of
if they're doing it in 3 pieces.
The 1 piece or the 2 piece.
Yeah, you'll have a piece there what's drilled and holds it on. A piece there, it's drilled. And that'll hold it, and then I see you have 2 welds there which will be smoothed off, and your contoured piece there at 60 degrees that is. So this is what Bob left us the other night, but I've not actually spoken to him yet.
No, we haven't made a decision on that.
This is just what we put, an alternative method of manufacture. Yeah. So we're not 100% sure what we'll do, but I've left it all clamped up ready. We've got the old jig up there at the moment, so we can put the holes through, off the
old one,
the holes what are remaining, cause some of them have corroded away.
Yeah.
But the ones that are remaining, we can put them holes through it, so we've got them in position. And then we'd probably cut it about there, and the same on this side, cut it about the same position.
And you'll have another piece
and have it level all the way down, and then so you've got that third contoured piece. These 2 skins here are ready.
Yeah.
The 2 back ones, rear ones, but they're just waiting for the trailing edge.
Yeah.
We'll wait for that piece of aluminium.
Yeah.
It's not really been on yet. The holes in that what are on here at the minute are off the original.
Yeah.
But as you can see, there's plenty of holes to drill down it. All.
Oh yeah.
They all got to correspond with these ones.
Yeah.
Along the spar.
Yeah, correspond with these on the. Good.
So that one there, what we was having to what Simone did, that's lying on there ready for.
That's the one.
That's the one Simone did. What we made a mess of. Yeah, it fits lovely. Yeah.
I'll let you put that down. Yeah. What about the piece of wood at the bottom on the leading edge?
I forgot to ask Bob about that. This plug.
Yeah, you showed me that the other day.
The plug goes in there, but I've not seen the new one yet. No.
All right.
Because
has it been painted once, or is it?
It's just had a flash over so we can joint it together. So it's just not bare metal to bare metal.
Yeah.
And once it's all riveted up, it'll go back in the paint shop for
Yeah. It's Tuesday the 18th of August 2020. I've come down to where they are restoring the two wingtips off the Lancaster. Not many people about this morning, a lot of them will be on holiday. Kev's still here, so we'll have a word with him how far and what the progress is on the reconstruction of his portside wingtip. I see you've got the top of the wingtip riveted on.
Yeah, that's all riveted across there now. The screws are in at both sides, so that's all.
Yep.
That's all
That's
ready
permanent.
for.
That's permanent now.
That's permanently on that, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's ready for
The tape.
the tape going across, yeah.
Yep.
So we've got this skin back to put on.
That's the one what Simone did, is it?
That's the one that Simone's done, yeah. So I'm
Yep.
gonna pin that on today, but I can't rivet it at the moment because Keith's gone off with a bad back.
Oh, is he? Oh.
Yeah. So I'm just finishing off down this one here. What I can do.
Yeah.
I've done that skin. It's actually in the paint shop. I put it straight in the paint shop.
Oh, that one where the.
Yeah, I cut those.
Oh, you've cut the.
Yeah, I cut these on both. Well, I cut them on this side on Keith, and we've got them. So we've got them sleeved. They go back on with sleeves when they go back on.
Yeah. So they come in exactly the same place.
So they go back in exactly the same place. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we did that. We cut those.
Just the two were they to cut?
Three. One at the top there. Yeah. One up there, one here,
Oh, yeah.
and one down there.
Yeah.
So cut those three, and then we'll put that skin in. These are all drilled off now. All the.
Oh
Drilled
yeah,
off.
they are, aren't they? They weren't drilled last time I came.
That's it. Yeah, they're all drilled.
So
and I said that the skin's actually gone into paint. But I can get that out for you this afternoon if you want. If you want to see it
No,
pinned on.
edge then.
The leading edge, they're getting made in one piece now. They've decided
piece?
one piece. They've sent it to Simone. Yeah, you know the girl who does all the
Yes.
work, and she's going to do it in one piece. Yeah, so
Is she really?
yeah. Well, obviously we still have the bottom piece,
Yeah.
but she's going to make the
She's
top.
got to curve it and bend it round.
She's going to curve it right around, which I thought we would do in
Yeah.
the originally.
Because when I was here on last Tuesday, you were talking about doing it in three pieces with two well seams.
Yeah, when we had that drawing out, yeah.
But that's gone by the board now.
No, we took it off. It's on laid back on here again.
Yeah.
They decided that we were going to get it made in one piece.
To come up, which is just to finish it off.
She made it, but I'm assuming. I think they've sent the old one with it,
Oh, cool. I should go and get a perfect copy.
and they'll fill it with resin or something like that, so
Yeah.
they get the shape, and then she'll make it to that shape. That's on.
Makes a mould of it. with
Yeah,
resin,
yeah.
and
She'll
then
make some kind of mould.
She
Yeah,
makes it to fit.
yeah. I've drawn where the holes are going to come for the new, the new one.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And so when the new one comes, we can just put the holes through, transfer them into that,
yeah,
and vice versa. We'll transfer the holes into this one.
yeah,
Yeah. So I've fixed up markings all over it.
yeah.
Right
V
way
loose,
loose rivets right around here.
head damaged.
Head down here, dents. Yeah, I don't know. So he's brought it over. He wants me to rivet it with Brad. He wants me and Brad to sort it out.
Yeah,
So we're doing that on Thursday. They've been trying this on, and it's having been fitted on the whole. You've got little arrows
yeah,
on it. They're having to like oval the holes a little bit, to get it onto the screws, the studs one.
Oh, yeah,
It sits
yeah.
against.
Have
But
you
you have
tried-
certain tolerances. You
Yeah.
we can't take them too big, otherwise it'll
No.
be too
floppy. Yeah.
sloppy on the holes and that. But
Have you tried yours on?
I tried mine on before I started building it all, and it was
Yeah.
all okay.
Yeah,
So, but I haven't started opening any holes out yet.
No.
The holes are at about a quarter. I think they're at quarter inch at the moment,
Yeah.
but you can go up to maybe it's about 25 thou up on that.
Yeah.
We have got some other reamers. we had them laying around. We had them laid on here last week.
Yeah.
Keith must have in his box now. Got a couple of reamers just to elongate them if we need to, you know, just to make sure that they slide on properly.
Yeah.
Just,
So these two angle brackets here, are they for the main, for front and back spar?
no, them two are longerons. The spars go above these where it's
Oh, I
reinforced.
see. Yeah, yeah,
I believe that's where they go.
yeah,
Yeah, because the spar sits in these hollowed
Yeah.
out bits.
yeah. John's checking all the fluid levels on the Lancaster before the taxi run tomorrow. At the moment he's working on number 1 engine, checking the oil level.